Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with eToro for crypto withdrawals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your eToro account. Navigate to the portfolio section on your dashboard. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Click on the trade button next to the selected cryptocurrency. Choose the sell option to convert your crypto to cash. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the sale by clicking on the Open Trade button. Once the trade is complete, go to the Withdraw Funds section. Select the amount you want to withdraw from your available cash balance. Ensure that you have fulfilled the minimum withdrawal requirements. Proceed to the withdrawal confirmation page. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Keep in mind that different methods may have varying processing times. Enter any necessary payment details as prompted. Double-check all information for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to complete your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal. Wait for eToro to process your request, which can take up to a few days. Once processed, you will receive another notification when the funds are on their way. Monitor your chosen withdrawal method for the arrival of your funds. If you encounter any issues, refer to the eToro Help Center for assistance. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal process with eToro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.